Today, I'm going to teach you how to activate paused gigs on Fiverr. If you've temporarily paused one of your gigs and you're ready to start receiving orders again, this quick process will get your gig back up and running in no time. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Simply enter your credentials to access your Fiverr dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your gigs and seller activities. After logging in, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here you'll find several options for managing your Fiverr business. Click on My Business to reveal a drop-down menu with various management tools. From this drop-down, select Gigs. This will take you to the main gigs management page where you can view and control all your active, paused, and draft gigs. Now that you're on the gigs page, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Look for the Paused tab and click on it. This tab displays all the gigs you've previously paused. It's a helpful way to see at a glance which services you've temporarily stopped offering to potential buyers. Once you're viewing your paused gigs, find the specific gig you want to reactivate. Right beside each gig listing, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal your options. From the menu that appears, select Activate. This action immediately reactivates your gig, making it visible to buyers again and allowing you to start receiving orders. And that's it. Your gig is now active again and ready to attract new clients. The entire process is straightforward and ensures you can control when your services are available without having to recreate your gigs from scratch each time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.